Anxiety is different in each child and provides difficulty in different areas depending on each child. With that being said, most of the students that I work with that have a diagnosis of anxiety really struggle with executive functioning, from organization of their lockers and desks to organization of their minds of what books and materials need to be taken home at the end of the day, and organizing their time after school of how much time is spent on this homework and other things. With my younger students, grades second through sixth, I'm on the same level in the building as them, and so I'm able to go into their classrooms and do a check-in at the end of the day. But with my seventh and eighth graders, I'm on a different level. They really want the independence to not have me come in and check in at the end of the day. So my question was, how can I help them and support them without actually going into the classroom, drawing attention to them? So I found this Remember the Milk app, and something that I noticed that my seventh and eighth graders have that I didn't have in seventh and eighth grade was their cell phones. At the end of the day, they get up, they go to the bucket that is on the teacher's desk, collect their cell phone, and in that 3 minutes of grabbing their cell phone, going to their lockers, and exiting the building, they could go through this checklist and really help themselves know what needs to go home, what do I have for today, and what needs to be done for me to feel confident and successful walking back into the building tomorrow. So this app shows on a computer, but then it also shows on a cell phone. And so all tasks they would click on today and they would see just this white screen. And I think it's helpful for them to see what all they've accomplished, but also what all they need to do. So for example, one of my students, we have a goal that he always gets his math done at school. So he would, at the end of the day, grab his cell phone, click a check on math homework, and it would be done. Notice that I wrote over here, try to finish during class and resource time. So then he could check that and it would disappear from his cell phone. Then he could look and say, okay, well, I have piano practice and I have violin practice. Most of my students have other things going on outside of school other than homework. So this could be something that they see daily. Okay, I've got to plan and schedule my time for that. What's nice about it is that I can add in notes of what I think he should be doing, and he could pick one of these four things that he could study for science, and we have a deal of like 10 minutes a night going over Quizlet, reading over a summary, doing his book work, or reading over key points. Another nice thing about this app is that we could share it with his parents. So his parents would have an email, we would add his parents' email, and they could see it too. Kenneth Nunn said anxious parents share genes with anxious children, and anxious children can make parents anxious. And so having this app, parents can see it, I can communicate with the parents and the students have that independence that they want with the support that they need.